Hello, this is Tom Sillis, WetCrow.com. I'm the CEO of WetCrow.com, WetCrow.com. The topic of this video is HVAC Jobs USA start tomorrow. Okay, now I know there's a lot of HVAC companies out there, and we want to definitely get you on our site. Get you taking jobs from us, because if you have multiple people working for you, that's great, because that way you can get more business. You can divvy it up among your contractors and change your schedule accordingly. We try to, if you have like 5 people, we're working on adding where you can have more than one person resource out there, staff member, what do you want to call it. You could put, let's say, 3 or 4 or 5, and then we'll actually, what we'll do is when we get a job, or we'll recommend the next person that comes in, if they're in the same area as a previous customer that booked, we pull up a list of the appointments that are already there for that certain day that the customer would choose, and then we're going to make sure that we try to put down, here's one right next to there. We're going to recommend them they choose that particular day and time if they we can. We might give them $10 off for doing that. We give them a spiff or something, or we give them some maybe some crypto, whatever. But we try to recommend that what that does, it keeps your workers in the same area. You don't want to be traveling 20 miles away from your job you just finished. I mean, we try to accommodate you. Obviously, we want to make you to make money. Now, if you're an individual and you're doing HVAC, I hope you're going to have a truck and the equipment. Again, it's we prefer companies that have 3 or 4 technicians. But if you're just starting out, I understand that. You're free to join us. We just expect you to do a good job. That's we're going to ask you for references. Even if they were from another company that you worked at, that's fine. If they know you, they'll know you. Get me their email address if you can, their phone number, address, all that stuff, so we can put them in the. You'll be able to keep them in the system, and then we check the references. We send them an email, and then they rate you. The guy who was good or bad, and based on that, we give you a rating to start, and then the guys obviously with the better rating are going to get more appointments. They're going to be ranked higher in the list of appointments, because they are by date, starting date in there, but we start with the 5.0 or the 4.9 and above, I think it is, and then we work our way down. So we want you to show up good as possible. Now, here's the thing: if you don't know what to charge for the services you do, we have a bunch of them on there. You could look at costestimates.com. We're going to have that in the link below, and you could look at what it's being charged average, and then you could type in the comments below, type in what you think we should be charging in your area that you're going to be working in. Okay, obviously our customers are a little bit above high end, above average, so they have a little bit more money. They come to our site. That's our typical customer. Doesn't mean it's the only one. So don't be afraid. Just kind of put in what you feel they're charging in certain towns. If you work in 3 towns in your area, list them, put down what you get per hour for the services that you're going to be charging for. That's what you want to try to net, and then I'll put in. I'll show you how to put them in the system. We'll mark them up for you, and some way to make money. That's what the whole thing is about. We want to keep you busy, making money. Now how we work is we predefine services. We have the appointments associated with it. We make so the customer comes in, they pick the service that they need, they pick an appointment, they book it, they pay, and that's it. You're done. In 2 minutes they're done, and then you get the job. You accept it, and you have, that's how you do it. You accept the job, and you're all set and running. So that's how it works. I mean, we make it easy for the customer. We make it easy for you. Now, please subscribe to our channel, and please like this video. There's going to be a lot more information in the description below. That I want the video would go on forever. I could talk forever if I wanted to, but I choose not to. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Join us. I think you're going to be very happy. We'll keep you busy, and that's it. Have a great week, and thank you for watching.